Hey guys, Clayton at lightsathwholesale.com. Wanted to highlight a couple of our ground stakes. We got 3 here. One of which is a good universal stake that the way it works is you're going to actually take the socket and they're going to meet together on the top, and then there's 2 little fingers on that stake that will actually hold, with the work of the wire and the fingers, that'll hold that socket onto the stake. That's one. We've got another ground stake that the way it works, it will actually use those 3 fingers, and if you notice, it's got 3 fingers with a little bit of lip. Those fingers will grasp that socket and hold it on as far as the ground stake goes. And then lastly, we have our best ground stake. This ground stake, some added benefits to it. Similar to our best clip, you do have to separate the socket from the bulb, but once you do that and you sandwich them together similar to our clip, that stake is not going anywhere. It's not going to come off when you pull it up. It's a great stake that we have here at lightsathwholesale.com.